I see everybody is working really hard. I would love to see what a few of you are working on. Phyllis, what have you got for us? Phyllis, oh, Phyllis, are you there?
Yeah, you can't see me? All you can see is my head and ceiling fan?
Tip it a little bit. There's your beautiful face. So Phyllis, you're in Hawaii, you're a teacher. Tell us about how to get the best view of your flattering, lovely self. There you go.
So your camera should be at about eye level and ideally looking down just a little bit. So
what happens if you're not looking down? If your camera's looking up at you?
If you have a webcam, you can actually adjust it much more easily. But if you have a laptop, your best bet is to raise your laptop, put a couple of pile of books underneath it, and then put the laptop on top of that so that you're looking pretty directly into your camera.
We just love to see your lovely face.
You can also find inexpensive holders that will keep your device at a very convenient height for viewing. They either clamp or sit on your table, and some of them even have a light attached to them.
As a retired physician, I just want to make one point, which is that if your stitch is wrong, nobody's going to die, nobody is going to bleed, nobody's going to get infected, and nobody is going to sue you. So just have fun.
What's great about Zoom is that even if you're feeling under the weather, you can still come and not infect anybody else.